Ever felt like a robot might just swoop in and take your job? Well, you're not alone. Automation and technology are rapidly changing the workplace. Let's explore how robots are more likely to be your teammates than your replacements. Automation, the evolution of work. First up, let's talk about automation. It's not a new concept. Think about how long machines have been assisting in factories and how software has streamlined administrative tasks. Automation helps make repetitive tasks faster and more efficient. But here's the kicker. It's not about replacing jobs, it's about changing them. Sure, robots can handle mundane tasks, but they also open up opportunities for us to tackle more complex and creative work. Automation is about evolving the workplace, not eliminating jobs. So, what types of jobs are robots really going to take? Generally, they excel at tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision. Think about assembly line work, data entry, and even some customer service functions. These roles can be handled more efficiently by automation. But here's the silver lining. This allows us humans to focus on higher-level tasks, like strategic thinking, creativity, and building relationships. Robots are great at doing the boring stuff, which means we can step up and take on more interesting roles. Embracing the human touch. While robots can handle specific tasks, they lack the emotional intelligence, creativity, and empathy that make us uniquely human. Think about the importance of teamwork and communication in the workplace. Humans excel at understanding emotions, collaborating on projects, and creating innovative solutions together. These skills are irreplaceable. So, instead of fearing robots, let's embrace the idea of working alongside them. Our unique skills complement automation, leading to better collaboration and innovation. Upskilling for the future. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's crucial to upskill. What does that mean? Simply put, it's about acquiring new skills to stay relevant in a technology-driven world. Take online courses, attend workshops, or even learn to work alongside new technologies. Upskilling not only enhances your value in the workplace, but also empowers you to adapt to change with confidence. Remember, it's not about competing with robots, it's about collaborating with them. The future is collaborative. Finally, let's look ahead to the future of work. Instead of fearing robots, think about how we can work together. The workplace of the future will be collaborative, where humans bring creativity and emotional insight, while robots handle repetitive tasks. This partnership will drive innovation and efficiency, allowing everyone to focus on what they do best. Embrace this collaboration and see how it can enhance your work life. So, is a robot going to take your job? Not likely. Instead, they'll become valuable teammates that help you focus on the creative and interpersonal aspects of your work. By recognizing the rise of automation, understanding the roles robots will take, appreciating the human touch, upskilling, and embracing collaboration, you can thrive in the future workplace. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more entertaining and informative content.